She no like it, got on naughty, but she go chop if you give her cucumber. Walk out from trans.
See this oga.
Will you keep quiet?
Boss. At least first if you get like 100 naira with this oga, you know what?
She what?
Bros.
Hey, who be your bros? I know you.
Child!
You come here, I no fit breathe.
There is God.
Where you come up from like this? Oh, no be you. You and your entire generation. You una property na like this.
Jesus is Lord.
Come on, man, they go where they go, I beg. Man, wandering around the man is talking this way. This guy come waste time for me. Where you come up from? They go.
You can be prosecuted for that.
They go help person now, they don't want help person. Now go hustle. Hustle, you never know anything.
Hey!
Go. Bros now.
He shock you. She say they wise.